Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Ohana Manawa. We are going to do a quick little chef video. We're going to make roux today. Alright, ready? Let's go. Alright, you're going to head get yourself a pot, add 2 sticks of softened butter. And when you get this started to heat it up, we're going to get our flour into a bowl. Pre-measured out to about 4 cups. 1, 2, 3. And then as the butter starts to melt and then return to frothy state, we're going to go ahead whisk it to speed it up a little bit. You're also going to need this whisk to when we start to add the flour. Okay, as soon as the butter starts to melt, completely melt, and is free of any solids, we're going to go ahead and slowly add in our flour. You can start with any measuring cup. I use a 1 cup and just measure halfway per scoop. That way I can base on judgment of how much roux I'm going to be making. Okay, add it in, and then you're going to slowly whisk it in. All right, as you whisk, it is going to bubble. Don't be worried, don't be afraid. Just make sure you keep your temp at a nice medium-high heat to cook the flour out. Again, the more flour you add, the more bubbly it will be. That's why it's good to stay at a small scoop at a time. After you start having a dough-like texture, you're going to drop your heat. And then you continue to add more flour as it starts to combine. Okay, I'm gonna whisk this and completely until you have a dough-like texture, and boom, this is what you're looking for. Okay, if it is a little wet and you still see butter start to separate out of your dough, you can just continue to add flour as you go. Again, remember your temp is at medium to about medium low at this point. That way you're not cooking your flour and in temps of burning it. All right, as you guys get that, you guys are gonna have your consistency nice and done. Perfect. Take it back to the front. All right guys, there you go. Roux, simple, easy, and so many applications to it. You can put it in beef stew, you can put it in jambalaya, put it in gumbo, you can gravy. You know, it's so easy. And best thing about it can last for about a week in a nice sealed container like the ones I put it in right here. Well, I got my thickener right here ready for go for my future meals. All right guys, see you later.